Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-login and Illuminati at the same exact time and how it works. So first thing is first, open up your multi-login and go to plugins and make sure your Illuminati over here is activated. So the very first thing is we're going to create a new profile, okay? So we're going to click on create new for the profile, and we're just going to call this the same exact thing that we named our Illuminati zone. Our zone name, there we go. So we're gonna leave it in unassigned for now. And what we're gonna do from here, we're gonna leave everything as is. Make sure you're on your operating system that you're currently on. So if you're using Windows, make sure it's Windows. If it's Mac, make sure it's Mac. Make sure you're on Mimic and click Edit Proxy Settings. And on the drop down, click on Illuminati. Now this is important. There's a URL and I'll provide it to you. This is what you're gonna have to type in, okay? So let me just reopen multi-login. So this is gonna be the host right here. So we're gonna copy this. Let me open up multi-login, proxy type. We're gonna do, where is this? I think it's HTTP if I recall. Let's see. I haven't created this in so long. So proxy type, all right, IP, there we go. IP or host, port. We're going to grab the port here, and there we go. So here is what you have to keep in the back of your mind. Your username and password. Where do you get that? Well, right here. So you see where the zone is that you created. You're going to click on edit, and you're going to grab this particular username right here. This is the username. You're going to go in and put this in the username, and then you're going to grab the password, and you're going to go and put it into the password column, and you're going to just click check proxy. Now this should appear green if it works, and there we go. So this is the IP that it creates. So I'm just going to click create profile, and it's going to create that profile. So where is it? Let's see. It should be around, there it is, a few seconds ago. So remember, I want to show you something, all right? What is my IP address? So 71187, right? So we're going to go to multi-login, and we're going to go ahead and open up the profile we just created. I'm going to click start. So it's going to open up this particular profile, and it's activating. So it connects with the actual with Bright Data / Illuminati, and it gives me a new IP. Look at this IP versus this IP. So Google should trigger okay, there we go. So let's just see if it triggers bots to appear. So what is my IP? Okay, so you see this, our IP, now it's rotating. It was this, now it's rotating because it's rotating. So what is my IP address? Fort Lauderdale, exactly like we set it up. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So it looks like I'm coming from Fort Lauderdale. So again, this profile has been successfully set up. So I can just go ahead and I can go to Facebook and log in naturally with a Fort Lauderdale account, and it won't give me any hassles. And by the way, when you're done with one of these, what you can do is you can just click to disable, click yes to disable, then you go into multi-login, and what you do over here is you just click on the little three prong, click on delete, click on yes, and now that profile is completely gone. So again, that's how you link up Illuminati with multi-login. Very, very easy to do, and I'll provide you the instructions, what you have to type into the settings right under this video. So with that being said, I hope you learned how to log in or how to use multi-login to log in to Facebook properly, setting it up with rotating residential IPs. There's so much information that's going through my mind right now at 1,000,000 miles an hour that I'm trying to spew at you relatively slow. But again, I hope this is making sense to you. I hope you're processing it, and I hope you can see why that's powerful. So again, next we're going to talk about linking a static IP address. I'll see you in that video.